Yo, what up guys, I'm back with another tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how to swap from Ethereum into Strong. First of all, we need of course the contract address of our token. So basically we'll go to the best and the safest price tracking website that we know. For in my case, I know CoinMarketCap for sure is the safest and the best price tracking website, and I suggest you guys that you come to this website too, because it prevents you from getting scammed. Okay, and then when you come to this website, you have the landing page. You come here, you type the name of the token that you are willing to use. In our case, we need Strong. You come here, you copy the address like that. You click on this icon over here, and then here we go. It says copy. Then we go to the second website that we need, or the second platform, which is Uniswap. Basically, you click on Uniswap. It will take you to this page. You connect your wallet. You have a bunch of multiple choices. You have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Matic, Vortex. But in our case, we will use MetaMask. Okay. For those who doesn't have it, you can just type MetaMask.io in your browser and download it in whatever browser that you have. Okay. And then you go back to this page. You connect your wallet, like I did, and then of course we need to add the token. How to add the token? Come here, you make sure that you are on Ethereum main network, and then you come over here, you've got token, some custom tokens, and you paste the address. As you can see, there's the address, and add custom token, import token, and here you go. And then you come back here, select the token, here you go, import, that's it. You can now transfer from Ethereum to Strong, or reverse, you can transfer from Strong to Ethereum. And that's it guys. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe for more videos in the future. See you.